Hello everyone, let's learn the topic sense of smell, which is also called as olfaction by Professor Sabashik. So first we'll see the anatomy of olfactory receptor. So the human can recognize about 10,000 different odor. Nose contain 10 millions to 100 millions receptor for the sense of smell or olfaction present in the region of olfactory epithelium. Now let's see the physiology of olfaction. So you can see here in the diagram that here is the brain, okay, below which the olfactory bulb is present, okay. There is a cribriform plate is present, and below the cribriform plate the olfactory epithelium is present, and in this olfactory epithelium the sense of smell receptors are present, which is sensitive to one particular type of molecule. So now we'll see the physiology of olfaction. So what happens here? The olfactory receptor first react or bind with a odorant molecule. So you can see here, this is the olfactory receptor. This is the olfactory receptor. Here the odorant molecule bind. Then olfactory receptor protein is actually coupled with a membrane protein called a G protein. So this is the G protein. So what happens here? After binding of odorant molecule with the odorant receptor, there is an activation of G protein occur. After the activation of G protein, it will then activate adenyl cyclase. The activation of adenyl cyclase convert the ATP to cyclic AMP. This cyclic AMP is a second messenger. Then this cyclic AMP act on the sodium channel. Then when the sodium channel is open, what happens? The sodium which is present on the extracellular side come inside, okay, to the cytoplasmic side. The inflow of sodium ion occur, and this will lead to the depolarization and generation of nerve impulses. And finally, the propagation along the axon of the olfactory receptor occur, and it will generate the sense of smell. So this is all about the physiology of olfaction. Thank you.